Welcome. Today we're cooking salmon. And today we're using apple and pecan chips in our smoke vault to make some salmon. Today we are making salmon. We have in front of us wild caught Atlantic salmon, which is coated with tamari and dark brown sugar with a light dusting of black pepper. And we are going to be smoking this wild caught Atlantic salmon with pecan and applewood smoked chips, low and slow, my friends. It's very easy to overcook fish, so it's really important to have a thermometer where you can put it inside of your smoker, you can have it inside of the meat. You have several abilities to have 3 to 6 different gauges in here for the different parts, the different meats, the different things. Like, see the temperature right now? Too high, but very irregular. So again, before we put the fish in the smoker, we need to make sure our temperatures are correct. And this is a really, really great gift for anybody who smokes. Highly recommend this thermometer. Again, 6 different gauges. It's absolutely wonderful. Obviously, don't put it on a hot surface. We keep it with a pot holder over on the side. I just wanted to take another look at this beautiful fillet before we put it in the smoker. Again, notice that we do have it on a drip pan that we actually got in a restaurant auction. Sometimes a restaurant auction you can pick up really, really great tools, and we have about a dozen of these pans. But again, this salmon is lightly coated with the tamari sauce, the brown sugar, and just a very light dusting of pepper. And it is so ready to go into the smoker. We're almost ready. And we are putting our filet Atlantic salmon into the smoker now. And we've removed it from the drip pan. We're just putting it in, skin down. And we're going to be cooking this for about 2 to 3 hours at 200 degrees. So cannot wait to show you how lovely this is going to be. And as you see, our wood chips are not lit yet, so we're going to have the smoker open for a few minutes till they take a flame, because we can't close it up until the smoker is ready to be closed up. We want to smoke at 200, so before we can turn the temperature down, the wood chips will light, start producing that beautiful smoke, and then we'll be able to turn the flame down so the temperature goes down to about 200 degrees to smoke our Atlantic salmon. And now that our smoker is smoking, we're going to go ahead and close it up. And we're going to turn it down to about 200. And then once it has been in there for 2-3 minutes, we'll be moving the smoke vault temperature back down to about 150, 175 to let it cook for about 2 to 3 hours. And that wonderful thermostat that we have is also Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It connects to the cell phone, the thermometer, so we can watch the temperature of the thermometer by the cell phone and be alerted if it goes above or below the temperature that we're expecting. Okay, it's been just under 2 hours, and we're going to go ahead and check the temperature of the fish.
Perfect, 135.
135 inside temp in the largest spot. Okay, and we are taking the salmon out of the smoke vault. Oh, look at all those juices on top. Look at that skin. Oh my goodness, I wish you could smell this. That beautiful smell. Look at those juices. It is divine. Look at that. Look at that skin. And our salmon is done. It is moist and tender, smells divine, and we are going to be having this warm for dinner, and then what is left over will be turned into a yummy cream cheese salmon spread, and this is going to have a moist, tender, smoky flavor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at the end of that thick, juicy Atlantic salmon. And our salmon is done. Our crust was cooked like crackers, divine, and the meat so enjoyable. And we're gonna make a dip with the leftovers. So my friends, take advantage of smoking, take advantage of outdoor cooking, have some fresh, wonderful eats in your future very, very soon. Enjoy, hit subscribe, and give me a great comment in the comments. I'd love to hear what you would like me to smoke in the smoker next.